Chalo, good to see you guys. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, let's all unmute and together at the count of three, we'll say good morning. 1, 2, 3. Let's all unmute at the count of say three. Good morning. 1, 2, 3. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's time to crash off for Sujit. What's the time, Sujit, right now?
It's 8:35 p.m.
Lovely. Okay.
Uh,
8:35 in the evening, so that is not too late.
it's okay. I was about to go to bed.
Lovely. Chalo, good. So day 3, very good, yeah. Because people who are still alive after the first 2 days must be really proud of themselves, because there's a lot of effort in the first 2 days to go through the first days. You've never fasted and the body is constantly fighting for more and more food, but you're not giving it food, so it's struggling. And now it is pretty much accepted the fact, not 100%, but almost accepted the fact कि बाहर से कुछ मिलने वाला तो है नहीं. So it is now taking care of itself from within itself, and it's gonna cleanse its stuff. Sujit is obviously an expert now. He's on day 9. I will ask Sujit to share a lot of experiences today. But before that, before we get into a Q&A, just quick update. Day 3 is easy. It's not that difficult as day 2, but it's still a little challenging because still the addiction, the desire, the want, the hunger, cravings, everything will happen. Tomorrow onwards, it will be done. If you've survived 3 days without food, then you can just keep flying for a long time. So continue with that, and I'll open the house to Q&A now. We can raise the hands and we can start chat. So let's start off with Sujit, my friend. Tell me, Sujit.
Yeah. So, quick question. I know I'm on day 9. Nothing's going in, nothing's coming out. So the question of the hour is, should I be taking castor oil?
You know, are you feeling heavy? लग रहा है कि gas bloating हो रहा है?
थोड़ा सा.
To have 1 spoon of castor oil, gulp it down with a decent amount of water. But if you do it now, then it might disturb your night, na? Because रात को उठना पड़ेगा.
In the morning.
Do it in the morning. Do it in the morning. If you feel there is a need, because when there is gas and bloating, that is vata, and oil pacifies vata, and castor is one of the strongest laxatives. And since you are already on a fast and there is not much to come out, 1 tablespoon should be enough.
Enough, right? Okay.
I mean, I know people who have been told to have like almost like 10, 12 spoons or like so much castor because the body is choked. But in your system, there is nothing much left to come out. So it's pretty much clean.
So one tablespoon, right?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon of castor. Sujit, what you do tonight when you're sleeping, take some Jeera. Jeera and Saunf. Saunf is fennel seeds. Right? Take 1 tablespoon each and dip it in a glass of water, warm water. सुबह तक वो पूरा उसका अच्छा वो बन जाएगा. When you get up in the morning, take 1 glass of hot water and mix the 2. Just remove the. You don't have to strain it also. वो अपने आप नीचे बैठ जाएगा सौंफ और जीरा. ऊपर से पानी निकाल लो, गर्म पानी से मिलके. Have 2 or 3 glasses of that and do Tadasana. Tadasana is you stretch your left, right, hands up. Tadasana. You Google that, and that will clear you completely.
Then I don't need to take the castor oil thing?
You might not need it. Because your body is so potent, but still at times when you feel like really zarurat pad raha hai, you can have that.
But I've been taking Saunf ka pani every morning.
Which is good. So you're doing that. That's good enough. Bloating bhi hona, it's a little in the mind also, because there is something or the other that wants to clear up and the body is burning it. When the body burns up old waste, तो imagine करो बाहर कूड़ा पड़ा है, कूड़े में आग लगा दिया तो धुआं तो निकलेगा ना. So same thing, old stuff is getting cleaned up, a little gas, little bloating, very normal things. And when you stretch also na, left, right, up, down, that also releases gas. And one of the best asanas for releasing bloating is Pavan Mukta Asana. उसका नाम ही Pavan Mukta है. Pavan मतलब हवा, हवा मतलब free. Pavan Mukta Asana.
That I do every morning actually.
Correct. So Mukt, if you want to remember Pavan Mukta Asana, अभी इंडिया में इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं, so the Congress keeps saying BJP Mukt Bharat, and BJP says Congress Mukt Bharat. So they keep making allegations. But we are going to say Pavan Mukt Sharir.
Yeah. Done. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Lovely. But Sujit, you will have to get more participative in the group. Send more, tell people more stuff now that you're an experienced professional. In the first round, everyone, guys, first time Sujit did fasting, he did it for 21 days at a stretch, non-stop, right?
Yeah.
So, and I'm sure now, do you feel like a different human completely from what you used to be a few
Oh,
months ago?
absolutely. Absolutely. This time it's even more easier to do fasting.
Yeah.
So,
and what's your body weight now?
As of this morning, I was like 8 pounds down when I started. I'm at 167 or 166 something.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And your ideal is
Another
160,
10
right?
pounds too. Say again?
Your ideal BMI is 160.
Nay, 158, 155 something.
So
Close
10
to
pounds is
155.
almost about
10
3-4 kilos. So you're almost perfect anyway. So if you start your exercises, and your back is better, I hope.
It's much better, but not 100%.
वो हो जाएगा. So please find yourself some yoga instructor who can, or online yoga, so that you can start doing the asanas. One very good important asana for the back is reverse bending. With your back backwards, and all kinds of asanas just help you open up the body.
Okay.
And back
Cobra बोलते हैं इसको cobra.
कोबरा भी होता है, and उसको बोलते हैं चक्रासन.
चक्रासन, okay.
चक्रासन आप जैसे करोगे, do a supported चक्रासन first. So put your hands on the wall and bend, and धीरे-धीरे slide your hands back. Now, Sujit, I can tell you, you've reached the point where you can even do a Shirshasana, headstand. If you go, no, it is very easy. Just do it. You have to support your hands and do a headstand. It is very, very. Now you will do it because your body is lighter. Your system is opening up. And headstand करने के लिए just follow the instructions on the net. Put your hands on the floor and put your legs on the wall, floor and wall, and then धीरे-धीरे raise your legs.
Okay.
As you raise your legs, your hands are on the wall. धीरे-धीरे you'll get more stability. And if you Google it or find yourself some instructor, they'll tell you how to do chakrasana. चक्रासन करते ही सुजीत तेरा बैक का सब खत्म हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि जो भी बचा हुआ है ना, whatever is stuck, that will come out. So imagine this is the bottle which you've cleaned up. Now you made it ulta, then you make it सीधा, then you make it ulta, then you make it सीधा, तो पूरा शेक होके कचरा बाहर. So do the chakrasans. So I want that picture on the group once you open up the group of the juice that you're having. Once you open up the group, So I hope you've taken a picture for the group. We'll open it up in 10 minutes after this call. Sujit, please start yoga.
Done.
Stretches, Gaumukhasan, Tadasan, तो उसके लिए है Malasan. Start sitting in a squat position. Start doing try to aim for Chakrasan. Chakrasan is not difficult. A lot of things that you see on videos might seem to be impossible. अरे ये क्या हो गया? But now that you start doing it, you will do them. हो जाएगा. बहुत आराम से.
Okay.
ठीक है? 100% हो जाएगा सर. Cheers. Let's move on to our friend Sumi Gupta.
Hello.
Morning.
So day 1 for me today. I think psychologically I'm quite psyched out, but otherwise I'm fine. How to handle that? It's
Pankaj, you are not audible.
Can we hear you? Hello.
Yeah.
Sumi?
Pankaj, how are you?
We can't hear you.
hello.
There could be something with your audio. You want to come back? We'll go to Loveleen. Till then, Sumi, check your audio and come back. Loveleen, hi, can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Good morning.
Okay, now we can hear Loveleen. Yes, tell us, Loveleen. Sorry.
Okay. This is my 3rd day and
Lovely.
It's absolutely going fine. I am in fact not losing out. I'm constipated. That's an issue. One, I think my pitta has gone up very high and there are a lot of rashes on my body and especially towards the night.
Can I see your face? You're okay with that?
Sure. Just a minute. Unfortunately, this time doesn't suit me. But
No,
I
it's
was
okay,
like,
it's okay,
oh,
it's
I'm
okay.
going to log in today for sure.
That's okay. Okay, carry on. Yeah, you're fine. Okay.
Okay. So the rashes are more or towards the legs, the back, not on the face, the hands.
Okay.
It's like inflammations on the body. And I'm not feeling hungry, maybe because like I'm fasting after the Navratri, and Navratri also was like quite tough.
So I'll answer. Is that over? Did I answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, you're not feeling hungry. That basically means the body is obviously overstuffed. The body wants to throw out more. 2, whenever you got skin issues, it means you've had them earlier.
Yes.
these are not new. Okay. So if they're happening, if you read my note for yesterday or today or day before, it says the weak part will hurt the most.
Oh, okay.
So if someone has got a migraine problem, उसको headache ज़्यादा होगा शुरू में क्योंकि वो solve हो रहा है. जिसको skin problem है, वो थोड़ा peak करेगा, फिर चला जाएगा permanently.
Acha. Then I am happy.
So this is healing. Understand? So read the note. It says the weak parts will hurt the most. Okay? So continue with it. And if the pith is higher, since you've done the test again, have pitta satisfy, pitta balancing stuff. So make sure you have ashgard, thanda, have more sweet stuff, and go with the taste buds. Do not have khatta, do not have sour, do not have citrus.
Okay. Can we have chia seeds in this? And Gond Katira?
Anything that is completely raw, so is completely your call. It's raw, it's a fruit or a vegetable, as long as it is not a grain. What category do chia seeds fall in?
Chia seeds are like those melon, pumpkin, and all that.
Yeah, so they are natural seeds, but I don't know. Just have a research on that. Unless necessary, avoid karo na abhi. Bahut zyada necessary to le lo.
ठीक है. नहीं,
Avoid
done.
karo.
And Gond
Using
Katira?
some- I
Gond
mean,
Katira.
just I don't know.
That
Yaar.
also.
I've not had.
Okay.
I've had no personal experience on that, so I'd rather avoid it till I've not tried it myself. But you really don't need it. Like, कुछ craving हो रहा है क्या?
No, because that keeps the body cool.
हाँ, so anything that keeps the body cool. There is one more thing. These are जो कुल्फी फलूदा में डलता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? जो दाना होता है वो.
वही Gond Katira होता है.
हाँ, उसका नाम पता
Takmaria.
है. I don't
Takmaria.
know. Something that is dipped in water and then it just.
That is
Yes,
Gond
sorry.
Katira. Yeah, that
so
is Gond
whatever
Katira.
it is. So whatever it is called, have that to cool the body down, but have it limited because your body is very sensitive. ज़्यादा लोगे तो फिर कफ आना बढ़ जाए, जुकाम ना बढ़ जाए. So go light.
Okay.
Enjoy
Done.
the pain. Whatever is happening is a healing process. And
It doesn't pain, it itches. That's the
No, that's
issue.
very, 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 very. It will go on its own. In fact, I had a very nice experience, if I remember correctly. Yakul Pathak had mentioned from Hoshiarpur yesterday
Right.
that his body was passing a lot of urine a day before, overnight. So same thing, different bodies detox in different manners.
Okay.
जो problem है वो निकलना शुरू हो जाता है. Yeah.
Cool.
So good luck.
I'll continue.
Continue.
Yeah.
Continue.
I will.
Yes, yes, my
Thank
friend
you.
Yakul from Hoshiarpur.
पंकज भाई कैसे हो? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरे को अपना प्रोटोकॉल नहीं पता है. माय कफा इज 41, देन वात इज 36 एंड पिता इज 23. तो मैं सेशन में या तो मिस कर गया या मेरे को पता नहीं. तो 3 days is normal. Today is my 3rd day. So from tomorrow, what do I have to do? Continue juicing or how is it?
Are you over it?
Yeah, I was 101 when I started. Today I'm 98.
Share your feedback. Firstly, Yakul, first thing you'll do is share your feedback on the 3rd day you've come down from 101 to 98.
Sure.
Okay, so let many people read that and get inspired on the group.
And my sugar levels have dropped down to 20. I mean, dropped by 20. Fasting.
From what to what?
214 to it is 194 today.
And what's the ideal range?
Ideal should be 120, 130
Okay,
fasting.
so you can mention this also. It's come down from 210 to 190. Now you imagine you're going in the right direction. Okay, so your statement has answered your question. What should I do? And the answer is continue.
Okay. and I am feeling totally fine. Day 2 was also fine with me. In fact, I had less juice than day
Because-
1.
Kapha ka, if you read my note or the video, it says kaphas can carry on for a month without any effort.
So
जब तक आपका कफा बढ़ा हुआ है, आप बिल्कुल मस्त होके चलोगे. जब आपका पित्त बढ़ेगा, आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा थोड़ा, तो उसके लिए डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. तो now you continue. So 3 things. 1, your weight has come down, your sugar levels are coming to normal, and you're feeling absolutely fine. So share those in the feedback to inspire many friends like.
and secondly, I mentioned about the urinating problem. It has reduced. It has drastically come down.
Yeah, it's all
Since day
coming
1.
down.
Yeah.
So mention karo that your body started off detox with a lot of urine passing. You've lost so much kilos. Sugar levels are improving and you're feeling absolutely fine. So you are definitely now you are overweight, you are definitely taking the entire 21 days, Yakul.
Thank you. Thank
In
you.
the protocol, I said we'll do 3 days, then we'll decide 9 days, then we'll decide 21 days. Since you're overweight, your sugar is on the higher side, you will do a complete 21 days. Take a pen and a paper and write down 102 to 90. That is your target that we will reach in about 19 days from today. 90.
Perfect.
And once you hit 90, then you will gradually start doing many other things for yourself. And dhire dhire over the next few months, we'll do another round of 5 days, 6 days, skip a meal, OMAD. Wo karte karte will bring you down to 75, 80 and will be a rock star again. Which you are, but you'll become even better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers, brother. To
Thank
me, my
you.
friend. Yes, Sumi, tell me. You can, Yakul, you can unraise your hand. Okay, Sumi is not there. Anyone with any more questions? Before we move on, we've got PC, we've got.
Pankaj, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can see you as well. Preeti, Bangalore, right? No, Singapore.
So I want to ask, can I put Xylem Husk? Because again, I'm going through constipation. I'm Vata first, then Pitta, and then Kapha. 2 days I've not passed motion, the second day.
So Husk is good, which is the basic telephone chap Husk jo aata hai, unbranded, simple one. You can do that also. You can mix it in a glass of water. Soak 2 spoons in a glass of water, so it'll become a thick kind of a dissolve, and you can have that. And then you have 2 glasses of garam pani.
At night?
Morning, it will have an effect immediately in about 1 or 2 hours.
Okay.
Do
Another
that in
thing,
the morning.
sorry, I'll do that. In the morning, can I also have, should I put honey? Am I allowed to put honey?
Your pith is not high, right?
My pit is around 30%.
Mat kar. Avoid. Why do you need honey? You're craving for it, or what?
No, not really. And yesterday I had avocado and a banana shake late at night. I hope that is okay.
Very nice for you. Good for Vata. Both. Avocado is very good. Banana is very good.
Okay, so I went to a store in Singapore. They had all the recipes there. If you don't mind, I took photos of it. I can post it in the group.
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
Do that. And if you're feeling good, share your feedback. You've lost some weight. You must be feeling better now on day 3.
Today is my day 2 and I have lost 600 grams.
That's a minor thing. वो कल तक तुम्हारा चले जाएगा 1-1.5 kilo. And after the husk and all, you don't need it. आजा जरूरी है तो कर लो. But otherwise, if the Vata is high, I recommend castor oil. 2 spoons of castor oil gulp down with water. That has immediate effects. देख अब husk में problem क्या है? Husk is very good. It is a natural fiber. But the problem is when you are fasting, no, again you are putting more stuff in the body. तो वो भी निकलना पड़ेगा, digest होना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अभी आप कर लो. Since your Vata is high, just do it today. So that I'll tell you why I'm telling you to do it also. Because your body is cleansing right now. उसके बाद, since day before no food has gone in. So if you put the husk inside, that will be the last thing in the body. So that will also dhire dhire help cleansing. So do it for now, but don't do it every day.
Okay.
And tomorrow onwards, have your castor oil, and your constipation problem will go after 2 days, because as Sujit rightly said, if there is nothing in, there is nothing out. Whatever is creating the bloating as the gas is the old waste trying to burn itself.
No, I'm not feeling constipated. It's just that psychologically, I know I've not passed motion for 2 days. So that is why I was asking for the Xylem Husk.
Karo. Who do the salad? Do it. Do the husk. Do the husk, and don't do this branded strawberry, raspberry flavor husk and all. Do basic sasta, cheap one.
Okay.
The ones which you get in India is got the telephone brand. It's called the telephone chap husk.
I have Organic India ka. I'll use that.
Yeah, Sujit is saying something.
I have a follow-up question to Preeti's thing. So when you have banana or avocado or both of them together, you are blending it, right? You're not doing it through cold press, right?
Got it from the
So
store in Singapore. So I don't know how did they do it. They did it in front of me, but I wasn't paying attention.
Because otherwise you're taking fiber in, right? Right, Pankaj?
Correct. Good point.
Because
Very good point.
So what I do is with avocado, I do avocado and cucumber, and I can't do it in my cold press juicer, so I have to blend it. And then when I strain it, there's nothing coming out. So that means even if I drink avocado and cucumber juice, all the fiber is going in. It's blended. Right, Pankaj?
Yeah, I agree with you. So what you've done, if you've had the blend with the fiber and all, no problem. It is okay. Abhi jaane do, so let day one you had fiber inside the body. Day two you're going to be having husk inside the body. So जितना भी पुराना waste के ऊपर आपने अच्छा नया fiber डाला है, कल से you get on to strained juicing. No fiber, nothing. Tomorrow you get into plain juices.
Okay.
Also, there is something called enema. Enema. So order a kit from Amazon. It's very easy. Anyone can do it at home. It is just a 15-20 minute process. Add some warm water and just do the enema. No problem. And just make sure that when you do an enema, it's basically a kit that goes in the anal outlet, the water. So it goes inside and everything comes out. So make sure you do it near a washroom. If you have a big washroom, do it in the washroom. And make sure you lubricate the kit ka jo nozzle hota hai na. Just add some sesame oil or any kind of oil, coconut oil, so that it just smoothly goes inside. Very easy. You can. लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा business बना रखा है, enema center बना रखे हैं. You go there, you pay money, and you get an enema done. It is so stupid. Anyone can do it at home. 200 or 300 rupees, you get the kit. Yeah. And the other thing, why is it safe? Because there is no pressure. It's only gravitational pressure. You put the bottle, the source that is only 3-4 feet high above the ground. So natural pressure से जितना body लेगा उतना पानी जाएगा.
Okay.
And one thing more, which you guys will notice with enema, when you do it for the first time, you will only do 200-300 ml pani. Second time 500 ml, 600. And once your body keeps getting clean, the intestines start expanding. They open up. जैसे rubber होता है ना, जैसे balloon होता है. वैसे after 3-4 times of enema, you will take the entire 1 liter inside. And it will come out. You know, so it is the elastic which is opening up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
We've got Katrina Kaif on the call today. Ruchika, we are pulling your leg.
Hi.
Am I the
So-
only one who said this, or did other people also have this kind of illusion? Can you all say yes?
Thank you. You made
Okay.
my
Yes.
day.
Okay, tell
So,
us. But we are going to call you Katrina only now. Ruchika, we're changing your name.
oh, it's a pleasure. Please go ahead.
We'll do that. But I want
Katrina,
feedback.
don't do it.
Aarti, you've lost. Sorry, I just spoke to Preeti. Preeti, do share your feedback. You're feeling good, lost some weight, and share pictures. Inspire others.
Yes, sure.
Sumi, we'll come to you after Katrina. Just give us a second.
No worries.
So, I did 7 days of fruit fasting during Navratri. 16th, I took a break because we had to make prasad and all. So it became like a feasting for me that day. So 17th, like yesterday, I started with juicing, but by end of the day, I had a fruit. I didn't eat anything cooked, but it was all raw, like fruits, a mango and a guava, something like that. So today is kind of second day. I will try to push to have only juices, but I feel I struggle. I'm okay if I eat one raw fruit in between, then it makes me feel good. So what do you
Yeah.
suggest?
What I don't remember your protocol. मैंने क्या बताया था आपको रुचिका protocol?
It's high pitta. Pitta is 50, kapha and vata is 25.
No. What was the protocol that I advised you to do?
You told me I can go for OMAD, but
Correct.
in your general guidelines, it was minimum 3 days of juicing. So I gave it a try, but somehow
It's okay. It's okay. Don't stress. And you're not overweight.
I am.
नहीं तो 3 दिन juicing कर ले.
Okay, I'll try. Definitely, I'm on to it.
कोई problem नहीं है. 3 days of juicing is easy. Your pith is high. It will be very difficult for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
जिसका पित्त कम होता है उसके लिए आसान होता है. पित्त ज्यादा है थोड़ा मुश्किल है. But those 3 days will make the rest of your life very easy, because you will adjust to the fact that you can survive without food for 72 hours. After 3 days, on the 4th day, you have raw fruits. मन करे जितना juice पियो, fruit खाओ, juice पियो, fruit खाओ, salad खाओ.
Okay.
5th day onwards, you get into OMAD, 1 cooked meal a day.
Okay.
You even have 1 meal also. Huh? And if you can avoid the cooked meal, you will burn more fat. If you start eating the cooked meal, you will burn less fat.
Yeah, I can survive without cooked meals. I can have raw salads or fruits. That's not a
So
problem.
you continue. So your protocol now, you continue with 3 days of juicing. After you finish 3 days of juicing,
Okay.
you do another 15, 18 days, whatever is left of raw.
Okay, so like today, Ekadashi is starting the fasting. So what do you suggest we can do during that time?
Best thing you're doing juicing, इससे बढ़िया क्या एकादशी होगी?
Okay, fine.
भगवान कृष्णा का नाम लो, एकादशी करो. My surname is Krishna, is just a coincidence. Yeah,
That-
so continue with your juicing. Continue with you. That's the best Ekadashi.
Okay,
3 days
thank
of
you.
juicing and 18 days of raw. Right? And your group put your thing as raw. So 21 days raw. That's what you
Okay.
put. Right?
All right.
Yes.
All right.
To me, how are
Thank
you?
you. Thank you.
Hey. Can you
Sure.
hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you, we can see you as well. You got
Okay.
thick specs, we can see that also. Tell us.
Fantastic.
Tell
Um,
us.
I've started juicing today. So it's for me, it's half day already because I wake up very early. I
What
woke
time
up
do you
at
wake up?
about 3.
Okay, very good.
So I've had 2 juices by now.
Okay,
One is ash gourd and one is apple.
right.
Psychologically, I'm strained.
Yeah. It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind.
In मानसिक
हाँ.
चीज है, psychology मानसिक चीज है.
Day one is horrible. The world will come to an end.
Okay.
ठीक है? सब खत्म हो जाएगा, दुनिया तबाह हो जाएगी.
That's what you told me. I mean,
Sure.
though I'm used to fasting even without water and things, but psychologically, I'm just impacted already. It's for me, it's half a day only.
It's okay. So if you wake up at 3 o'clock, then you're sleeping at 8 o'clock, no?
By 10 o'clock.
But then there's something wrong because if you're sleeping 5 hours a day, anyway, this is not right. Eh?
I actually sleep less than that. 10 o'clock is when I get to bed. By the time I sleep off, it's about I get to sleep only 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours. 4 hours.
Right. So anyway, so I'm saying don't stress, increase your sleeping hours. I'll just chat with Hani. I think she has to exit. Just 1 second for me. Increase your sleeping hours. Hani, you can unmute. Increase your sleeping hours. You'll have to figure out a way to get 6-7 hours of sleep every day. If you do not do that, 7 hours of sleep, you are anyway depriving your body of a lot of things.
Okay.
You have to sleep. Why do you wake up at 3 o'clock?
I mean, my eyes open. I mean, I wake up.
No. Start some exercise, do some cardio, do something in life, but sleep for. There's no human who can survive on 4-5 hours. कहने की बातें हैं. आप आराम से सो 6-7-8 घंटे. Do some exercise and your juicing is fine. Continue with the juicing and after 2-3 days, again Sujit is there. He'll validate the fact कि आपको 2-3 दिन juicing के बाद you'll start sleeping like a baby. 8-8 घंटे नींद आएगी. अभी तो best
fantastic.
is take a power nap. Shut your cabin and take a power nap for 10 minutes, 1 hour, whenever you. Follow the body.
Okay.
And then the person.
Honey, you have a question.
Hi, Pankaj. Good morning.
Good morning.
Um,
I saw there's a message. I couldn't read the message, but I said I'm getting. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
getting.
actually,
You're getting a gun, you're getting a pistol. I don't know what you're getting. So I thought. I'll give it to you.
Khanduja. Yeah. So I was just getting into a training session. I'll just take your 2 minutes. I had a difficult day yesterday, but I sailed through. In the morning, I was feeling good, but I had carrot juice today morning, and I added lime to it. And since then, I'm feeling very pukish, and I had to conduct this training session. So I'm really getting worried. Can you just tell me some quick fix to
You're feeling
manage?
pukish. I don't know why. Why are you feeling pukish? You had what? Were you high pitta or something?
Vata 56%.
Okay.
And I had carrot, mint, ginger, and lime juice in my
But who
juice
told you
today.
to have ginger? Ginger इतना गरम होता है. It is very pungent. It is very vata aggravating. No ginger. Carrot is ठीक है. Carrot is. Have some sweet juice. Na, you'll be okay.
Okay, I have a sugarcane juice. Can I have that?
Have some sugarcane juice. It'll pacify you big time.
But right now I can take it, right?
You can take it whenever. I mean, you don't need my approval
No,
for that.
just
Acha,
to.
how long is the session? You might have to go to the washroom.
It's
How
till
long
5
is the session?
p.m. It's till 5 p.m. today.
No, but they can't lock you in a room till 5 p.m. Now you'll have access to a washroom.
Yes.
हाँ, तो have your sugarcane juice and बीच में washroom जाना पड़ेगा. तो excuse yourself, yeah. Even if you're presenting, listen, I'm very cool, yeah. I presented to 1,000 people, and I've said that, listen, I'm going to be 10 minutes late. I'm going to the washroom, bro. That's cool.
Yeah, I have already done it. So the session
Yeah,
starts
the
at
other
9:30.
best. Where are you in Bangalore?
Yeah, Bangalore.
So just lie. Say I'm getting a call from North Korea, which I have to take.
Wonderful for this live, but so I have to avoid ginger, right? And I have to avoid.
जिंजर गर्म होता है ना, जिंजर तो वाता बहुत बढ़ता है जिंजर से.
Okay.
अभी तुम्हें और बीमार पड़ना है तो करेले का जूस पी लो एक गिलास. You will completely knock yourself.
No,
तो जिंजर गरम है
not at all. Not at all.
Correct. So follow the protocol. मैंने लिखा है उसमें क्या करना है. जो हमारा नेचर ब्राइट वेबसाइट पे ऑलरेडी लिखा है what all to have, what all not to have. You will be okay, don't worry. And but the fact is you're on day 2 today.
Day 3.
हाँ तो अभी मजा आ रहा है, थोड़ा हल्का लग रहा है इसमें.
Yeah, I'm feeling better today.
Yeah. And you've lost some weight now.
I've not weigh myself, but I'll do it in the evening, probably after my session.
Ask anyone to weigh you. You'll be much lighter.
I'll do that. And I have another question which I can ask tomorrow. Thank you so much, Pankaj.
You're most
Before
welcome.
the session, after the session, when should she weigh?
After the
You should
session
weigh
today.
after the trip to North Korea.
Okay, after the trip to North Korea, I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you, Pankaj. I'll rush now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
तो जी नरेश भाई कैसे हैं आप?
हाँ जी ठीक है.
कैसा चल रहा है आपका?
बढ़िया बढ़िया. मिसेस को पूछ रही है कुछ.
एक्चुअली मेरे को आज सुबह से फिर यूरिन में थोड़ी जलन सी हो रही है तो
अच्छा है, सब कचरा निकल रहा है, जलन वलन सब कुछ गंदगी निकल रही है ना.
अच्छा तो इसमें चिया सीड्स ले सकते हैं.
आपको पता है मेरा जितना जो चीज ठंडा करती है शरीर को वो लो आप आराम से.
अच्छा और ये
सब्जा बोलते हैं उसको गुजरात में या कहाँ पे.
हाँ सब्जा सीड्स से थोड़े जल्दी फूल जाते हैं और चिया सीड्स से थोड़ा कम फूलते हैं.
हाँ, जो भी कूलिंग है आप कूलिंग चीज दीजिए, बॉडी थोड़ा और ठंडा रहेगा. और कोई स्ट्रेस मत लो. आप क्या कर रहे हो अभी? आप उपवास रख रहे हो, आप शरीर को साफ कर रहे हो, तो उसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं हो सकता. गंदगी निकलेगी, थोड़ा जलन मचेगा, थोड़ा सर दर्द होगा, थोड़ा शरीर में दर्द होगा, थोड़ा कमजोरी आएगी, नॉर्मल चीजें हैं वो तो.
हाँ और ये गूंद कतीरा भी ले सकते हैं इसमें.
मेरे को इतना डिटेल नहीं पता. I don't know the names in Hindi, so.
अच्छा.
What is that called in Hindi? I don't know. If anyone knows, you can answer that. What is that?
गूंद कतीरा ही होता है.
हलवा गोंद का हलवा.
नहीं गूंद कतीरा वो गूंद सी होती है, हार्ड सी होती है, और पानी में डाल के सॉफ्ट कर लेते हैं. वो ज्यादा शरबत में डाल देता है, ठंडक के लिए होता है वो.
ठंडक के लिए
कंजवी में डाल लेते हैं वो ठंडक के लिए. गूंद कतीरा.
हाँ लीजिए.
अच्छा ले सकती हूँ गूंद कतीरा. हाँ और ये जो इसका बेल का फ्रूट आता है, बिल्ली फल का फ्रूट आता है, तो उसका भी शरबत पी सकते हैं ना.
हाँ वो काफी कूलिंग होता है, वो भी ठंडा करता है. बेल का अभी सीजनल है. देखो रोड पे लोग बेल का बेच रहे होंगे. रोड पे जो माल बिक रहा है ना, तो इसका मतलब वो सही है, अभी टाइम है उसका.
अभी सीजन है बेल फ्रूट की, तो वो भी ले
तो आप लीजिए जरूर लीजिए. एंजॉय करो बेल.
और अभी आप अदरक का बोल रहे थे, तो वो जो वात ज्यादा है तो उसमें हम अदरक नहीं ले सकते कि पित्त में अदरक नहीं ले सकते.
वात में तो बिल्कुल नहीं भी ले सकते, क्योंकि अदरक पंजेंट होता है और पित्त के लिए भी थोड़ा गर्म होता है. कफ में लेते हैं अदरक को.
हाँ
अवॉइड करते हैं अदरक.
अच्छा तो जूस में हम अदरक बिल्कुल भी नहीं डालें.
अब देखो आपको अगर जुकाम हो रहा है, बलगम हो रहा है तो आप डालो, और आपको अगर गैस बढ़ रहा है और शरीर में एसिडिटी हो रहा है तो मत डालो. यू हैव टू फॉलो द बॉडी ना. अगर शरीर गर्म हो रहा है तो अवॉइड करो, और शरीर गर्म नहीं हो रहा है तो मत डालो.
हाँ ठीक है.
ओके
नरेश भाई आप दोनों प्रोफेशनल आयुर्वेद, आपको सब पता है कि आप पूरे नॉलेजेबल.
जो ध्यान में नहीं आया तो उससे पूछा.
नहीं, ये सबको जानना जरूरी है कि यहाँ भाभी है, उनको दांत का प्रॉब्लम था, एंड डॉक्टर्स ने पता नहीं क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया, देन शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग दातुन. तो ठीक है ना, बताइए भाई कौन सा ट्रीट था वो? करंज का नीम किया, दातुन किया करंज का, एंड गम्स हैव बिकम रॉक सॉलिड नाउ.
गम्स एक रॉक सॉलिड हो गया. दांत हिल रहे थे, वो डॉक्टर ने बताया था एक दिन निकालने पड़ेंगे.
एक सेकंड, सब लोग अनम्यूट करो. दांत पहले नहीं हिल रहे थे, अब नरेश भाई को डर लग रहा है कि दांत क्यों नहीं हिल रहे.
नहीं
एकदम सॉलिड हो गए हैं.
डर नहीं, अच्छा हो गया उसका एकदम, कि उसने प्रूव कर दिया कि इससे
आपको बच के रहना, क्योंकि भाभी का दांत बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया अभी.
खरज को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
करंज को भी हिंदी में नहीं, शायद हम ध्यान में आएगा आपको पता है कि बाकी अभी ध्यान तो सही करंज ही कहते हैं शायद.
ओके.
उसका पेड़ का फोटो अपलोड कर सकते हैं?
हाँ हाँ करो ना, जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है उसको शेयर करो, शेयर करो।
जरूर जरूर, तो कर देंगे।
वो बिल्कुल करो शेयर, कोई कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें, उसमें करो। मैंने अभी ग्रुप भी खोल दिया है, उसमें आप मैसेज डाल सकते हैं, अपना जो रेलेवेंट मैसेज है अपने ग्रुप को, यू कैन शेयर
हाँ जरूर
फीडबैक।
जरूर 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 डाल देंगे।
ठीक है, तो
ठीक है।
लेट्स कंटिन्यू। एनीवन एल्स, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? सुजीत we've done, नरेश भाई we've done। देखो कितना अच्छा लगता है नरेश भाई, आपसे डेली इसी बहाने सुबह सुबह मुलाकात हो जाती है। आई एम सो हैप्पी।
ओके।
I like to see Naresh bhai and Bhabhi. It's so good to see you guys every day. बहुत अच्छा
Thank you.
लगता है।
मैं
And
हमको भी यार-
wonderful everyone. Your smile is so good, Naresh भाई। आप मुस्कुराते आते हो, आपको देख के मेरा भी मूड बनता है, सबका मूड बनता है। And सब
अच्छा,
स्माइल
ऐसी
करते
बात
रहते
है।
हैं।
और
बहुत बढ़िया बात है।
पंकज, मेरा 2 दिन में 1 kg एंड 300 ग्राम वेट रिड्यूस हुआ।
हाँ तो अभी 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 ये कॉल के बाद अब देखना 1.5 किलो जा चुका होगा, एक वॉशरूम और चक्कर काटना। जैसे जैसे वेट रिड्यूस होगा, बॉडी जितना लाइट रहेगा, आपका घुटने का प्रॉब्लम सब ठीक होता जाएगा अपने आप। बॉडी नेचुरली, हर चीज नेचुरल है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते बाहर से। बॉडी साफ हो, वेट हल्का हो, शरीर पंप कर रहा हो, मन साफ हो, और नरेश भाई की तरह मुंह में मुस्कुराहट हो।
ठीक है, सब ओके।
सब ओके, लाइफ ओके।
हाँ
ये एक
ठीक
हमने
है।
चैनल लॉन्च किया था 20 साल पहले। पहले स्टार गोल्ड हुआ करता था, स्टार नेटवर्क पे। इट यूज्ड टू बी कॉल्ड स्टार गोल्ड एंड देन वी चेंज द नेम। मैंने तो नहीं, तो दूसरी टीम थी, आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ स्टार, तो उसका नाम चेंज किया था स्टार गोल्ड से लाइफ ओके। तो आपको देख के लाइफ ओके याद आता है। Cheers, नरेश भाई। आरती,
थैंक्स फॉर सो नाइस कमेंट।
Bye.
बाय।
Bye.
So there are two competitors on the smile challenge. We've got Yakul and Naresh bhai. Okay, I'm gonna definitely put them on the thing, just like
Okay,
this one.
bye.
Thank
Bye,
you
Pankaj,
guys.
thanks.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.